Ready, Lilith? Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Can you say I miss you, Daddy?
My photo.
Yeah, can you tell Daddy what we saw on our walk today?
A tree.
A train? Was it a working train?
Yes.
Yeah, what did it say? Did it also say ch-ch-ch-ch? Did you have to cover your ears?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty loud. What else did we see on our walk?
I found that truck.
A fire truck. What else?
Cooking tree.
A broken train. It was just sitting on the tracks. What else? What was that?
Peacock.
We saw dogs and big trucks. Did we see a police car?
No.
And what about an airplane?
No.
Where was the airplane?
So find that.
Flying up in the sky? Yeah, can you tell Daddy come home soon?
Come home, Daddy.
Yeah, can you tell him I love you?
I love you.
Can you tell him what are we going to do today while he's gone?
Yeah.
Yeah, are we going to play?
Yeah.
Are we going to take a bath?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do we do in the bath?
Peacock.
Do we play with Tigger and Kitty Cat? Are those your hand puppets? What does Kitty Cat say? What does Kitty say? Meow. What does Tigger say?
Where's the stickers? Where's the stickers?
Wonderful thing about Tiggers, that's right. What do Tiggers do?
Up, down.
Yeah, they go bouncy, bouncy, up, down. Lila, can you tell Daddy, can you say your name for him?
Yoda.
Lila, that's right. And can you tell Daddy what you want to name your baby sister?
Yoda.
Yoda.
The
That's a crazy name. What's the baby doing right now?
mama's going to see Yoda.
Mama went to see, yes, I went to see the baby. Can you tell Daddy what the baby's doing in my belly?
Yoda.
Is the baby sleeping?
Uh,
What does the baby say when she's sleeping? That's right. The baby snores in Mama's belly. Are you just getting comfortable in Mama's bed? Are you going to go to sleep? Yeah, I didn't think so. All right, can you say bye-bye, Daddy?
Bye-bye.
Say come home soon.
Come home soon.
Say I love
I
you.
love you.
Can you blow him kisses? Very good. Say adios.
Adios.